welcome back to another video from P3 Newbie. I'm here with
Kason153.
Today we're going to be opening up a Pokemon salamence tin, and I already have one, so it's going to be my second. So, let's open it. Okay. This is going to be insane. Hopefully we can find some good stuff. Right, Kason?
Yeah, it comes with an evolutions pack.
I know you have had a lot of Pokemon experience.
Yep.
Here. That's one reason I brought you. So, guys, let's open this up. Okay. I'm going to pull out salamence
Pull out
here.
that salamence.
Okay, it's pretty cool. It's hollow here. Shines back there. Okay. Put that over here. Then we have a code card. If you guys want to use that for the online game. And then I have this thing. That is.
Hands.
Oh crap! Camera down. And so.
Here's your evolutions. Oh, I think I saw it. This Blissey.
No, that's cosmic. Oh, I guess it doesn't come with evolutions.
No, it might be down here.
What?
You just scammed?
Huh.
Came with 3 Cosmic Eclipse, like it's supposed to.
Okay, so we have Sword and Shield, another Sword and Shield. Okay, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, oh, this isn't Cosmic Clue, it just says Blastoise.
That
Okay.
looks like.
Last time I got an Evolutions, apparently I didn't get it this time.
Yeah. That's weird.
Let's open up this Cosmic Eclipse first and see what we get.
You can't really look. See, they have like a different ridge. Alright, so guys, if we take a look at this, there's different ridges, so it's harder to open the Cosmic Eclipse.
Okay.
Here, I'll put the Cosmic Eclipse over here.
Okay, we have our first one here. We don't take any, right?
I take 3 out of. Oh yeah, with these you don't.
Okay. We have a Flebebe, Sneasel,
That's your regular rare.
and
Whoa.
this is weird.
It's
a
like a
trainer that
GX.
does damage. Whoa, it's a GX move.
That's weird. I've never seen that.
That looks rare.
It does.
I want to keep this in our. Well, it's a regular rare. We have.
I think that might be your
sections.
regular rare. That's your trainer. Cause see, it's a foil. That's your regular rare.
Oh.
So this can go right here.
Okay.
Right.
No, I want to keep them in different sections because that one's like. Okay. So this one's a Sword and Shield pack. These are all 3 boosters.
Yeah.
Usually they come in 10. This is a 10, so it's special.
We got these at Dollar General.
Chinchou. Sizzlipede. Evolution Instance.
You should put that in the trainer area.
No.
Okay. Here, can I start opening one?
No.
Okay.
So now we have a Cosmic Eclipse again. Oh crap, sorry about that. Okay, so now we have another pack. Okay, let's see what we get. Slugma, Wilmer,
A tag
Misty,
team.
and Lorelei. Tag team trainer.
I have Misty's determination.
Yeah, so I'll put that in the special trainers. Okay.
Can I open up mine?
Yeah, you can open up yours.
So Brayden is really nice, and he let me open one of his since I let him open one of mine. If you want to check out my Pokemon videos. So Cufant, Baltoy, and Drizzile.
At the normal area.
Yeah, it's complete normal. I didn't get any regular rares that I know of. Well, Cufant, I think Cufant was the regular rare.
Cosmic Eclipse. This one has like a rainbow background up here on the top, see? eel, Natu, and an energy. Okay. Now we have a sword and shield. Jason's cutting these from me.
Yeah, I'm cutting them open.
Okay. Mana, Grandpa, Bishop.
Here,
Are these the last ones?
Yep, these are the last three.
Well,
The
how
last four.
I don't have any good ones so far.
Well, then you got that tag team and that like GX trainer or whatever.
Hoot Hoot.
Oh, that's a cool holo.
Hollow Cinderace. And
That's a cool holo.
Crushing
So
Hammer.
why did you put him up here if he's going down there? He's only got one energy.
Don't you take one on the back and put it in the front?
Yeah. Here, your hand's kind of blocking some of it.
Salazzle. Galarian Zigzagoon. And Galarian Linoon.
Oh, that looks like a foil. Wait, is it? No, it's weird. It's
Oh, that comes from him. He evolves from Galarian Zigzagoon.
Here, how about you hold it like this, because your arm is like covering up the light. Don't hold your hand up there. See, it's getting shady on the Pokemon cards. So hold it like down here.
Energy. Snom. Grookey.
Do you hear me? You just hold it down here, so your hand's not blocking out the
Okay,
light.
guys, last pack. This feels a little bit heavy, so hopefully that's good. Dusclops, Palpitoad, Jingmo. I thought you're supposed to get a V or something, like guaranteed.
Never says that.
Oh. Okay.
I mean, you got some okay stuff.
Okay. So overall, we got a Galarian Linoon, Sneasel, foil. Those are foil. We have a hollow
I don't know
Cinderace,
if this is foil though.
It
This
is.
is like shine.
Misty and Lorelei tag team, and Dragonium Z Dragonclaw GX thing. So
That's your first
Never
tag
seen it.
team, right?
yeah, it's my first ever tag team as a trainer.
That's pretty cool.
These are I don't know. This is weird. Like a GX attack tag team. Didn't even know that trainers could have that. So I also got 2 energies here. Yeah. Overall, I'd say it was decent. Not what I was hoping
Yeah,
for.
I don't know how my 2 tins on my videos did so
And I
well.
didn't get an evolutions pack, which I'm pretty sure you're supposed to, because I did on my last Salamence one.
Let's see, it says...
It just says 10 packs.
Hold on. No, I'm trying to read this.
Okay. So, that's pretty cool, I guess.
No, it doesn't say anything. Oh, it says 2 of the fastest are the Sonic Booming Dragonite or the Fire Blasting Salamence featuring
So, yeah.
Dragon Tin.
A bunch of ones.
I like hot glue this. It's weird.
Oh, crap.
See, it's like hot glue, kind of, but it wasn't very sticky.
Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Also got the Salamence Hollow. And I'm very sad about that, but see you guys on the next